here, and yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vending machine in crafting and building. Now, I just thought of this. I didn't went on YouTube, and yeah, because yeah, I don't know what to say. So first, you can get any kind of color of concrete, but I choose red for the vibes. Then we need to get a bookshelf to make sure it looks like stuff in the vending machine. Then you need glass, the cube glass, not the glass panes. And you can choose any kind of foods you want, but my favorite food in crafting and building is a cookie. So first you build it 4 blocks high, then 1, 2, 3. Then you build 3 blocks away. Okay. Then you put the bookshelves. And then you do this. Yeah, you do this. Then you block it off with the glass. And then you put it like that. Then you need to get a dispenser. Let me go in my inventory, please. Oh, there we go. The dispenser is right here. Then let's get a glow item frame. Okay, put it there. Put a cookie there. Then let's put a stack of these. So first we need to get a lever. I mean, a button. So I will choose the jungle button. Oh my gosh, why did I not collect it? Actually no, not the jungle button, the spruce button. There we go. And now, no one is going to suss me out right here. This needs fixing. And nobody's gonna think I'm so sus. I am doing it and I'm not being no sus, so don't vote me out in Among Us when you see me, please. Please, just do not. Just do not vote me out in Among Us, please. Please. I'm innocent. I'm definitely not an imposter. Okay, so I will be back when I am finished putting the cookies all in the dispenser. See you in a while. Okay guys, I'm back and yeah, I finished all of it. So you need to put a lot of stacks in this one dispenser. Then you press the button. But first let's walk like a civilian. Let's go from here. The beach is very fun. I want a snack like a cookie. Walking. Vending machine with cookies. Button. I love pressing buttons. Yay, cookie. Yay, I'm happy. Yay, I'm flying. I'm Superman. Oh, that's kelp, isn't it? Wee. this is a very bad spawn to be in. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And oh, I also forgot. The most important thing I forgot to say. So thank you for Omelette Arcade for letting me do live streams in my channel. Hold on. Anyways, I'm back now. But thank you for Omelette Arcade for letting me do live streams and do other videos. But I don't think this will be posted on YouTube though. But it is Omelette Arcade is like almost a YouTube, but it doesn't have polls or any stuff, any like other things. But it also has live streams you can make, and you can watch other people's live streams. It is very fun to watch other people's live streams and other stuff. So I will put the name in the description box below. And yeah, bye!